we got a new Super Saiyan 2 Gohan, young Gohan from Dragon Ball Legends. So let's draw it. I'm going to draw the face. Face is like the coolest part of this. Head and shoulders portrait. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So his head is kind of lower down the halfway because the hair is quite big. So we're going to start down here. And we're going to do the W frowning shape that's in the middle. It's like a pitchfork or a W shape just there in the middle of the eyebrows. And then the Dragon Ball eyebrows come out from there. So you just do like a check mark. Kind of curves down at the end. And then we have a square end. And then it goes the whole way back down towards the front. And it gets smaller as we go down. Do the same on the other side. Just check mark going this way. And then give it a square end. And then back down. Thinner as we go down. With the eyes, so we have a short line and a long line. And then we just curve those together. And he's like big wide-eyed screaming. So you nearly get a full circle for his iris that touches the eyebrow there. And then we do the same on the other side, long line and a short line. And then we curve them together. And then a big green iris. He has some sort of frown lines just above, just these little hatching lines. And then the cheek lines that we always get in Dragon Ball, just underneath the eye, follows the sort of curvature of his eye. And then we do his nose. So it's kind of left of center. It's kind of like a hook at first, just a little sort of hook like that. And then the shadow or the bridge of the nose they draw in as well, just there. And his top lip. Looks like he has a closed mouth, but we just open it up to make it look like he's yelling, screaming. And then his top teeth. Curving around. And then the bottom teeth. And his tongue line. And then you can see some molar teeth at the back. You don't give him a bottom lip, but like usually there is like a little something there. Not in this image for some reason, but we know what's up, so we can do it. We can add it. Right, then his chin. So chin is real close to the bottom lip in this one. Comes about there. And then we get his jaw. It's going that way. And then we change our direction. It's kind of in line with the top teeth and underneath the corner of his eye. See that? So we're underneath this part of his eye and across some top teeth. That's where it'll change direction and go up towards the sideburn. So on this side, he has a big hair spike that sort of comes across this. So you could draw it all if you wanted and erase it afterwards, or you could do the hair spike first. So I'll do the hair spike first. So up here we get the sideburn, and it becomes his ear. And then you have ear lines inside. And then his hairline comes up and around. Down to there. It's like a V in the middle. So it goes that way. And we have his big Super Saiyan 2 hair spike. Like so. So then that face line, we can keep going then up here. And we add his sideburn on this side as well. And some of his ear. We'll do his hairline in that way. And then we got like, he's got like blood and like stuff dripping down. You know, lots of scratches on his face. He's got the orange and blue top. It's not the purple. It's not Piccolo's clothing. It's Goku's, which is interesting. And then we have the standard Super Saiyan 2 extra spiky, right? So it goes out. It's like a candle flame. So like the shape of the hair goes out and up to a point in the middle. And you got to start with small hair spikes. So we just go this way. You know, the small ones come out from his ears. And these gradually get bigger then and go up to the point in the center. So we just do that. But again, Super Saiyan 2 hair spikes are kind of longer and thinner than say Super Saiyan 1. Say like this one real spiky now. See, so this is probably like the widest point. So then they start to go in this way now. So we get like this one here. There is some across here, but we'll just get the outside ones done first, maybe. So there's like a big one here. One in the center this way. Boom. So, and then texture lines all over. So on each one, you just add like lines that kind of follow each hair spike. Two or three on each one. And then we just add his neck and shoulders. So neckline here, neckline there. Neck goes in, neck goes in. And these neck muscles always go to the center of your chest, and then his chest muscle will come out. Either side. Then we have his trapezius muscle. It's where your back joins your neck, to the back of your head as well. And then we've got the blue t-shirt, and it's kind of ripped. You know, it's kind of ripped and torn. And then he has the orange, which is interesting. You know, he normally wears Piccolo's clothing, but this time he's dressed like Goku. And then up around here, ripped and torn again. I think he has a hole just torn in it here as well. And the blue bit on his shoulder just here. Scraggly lines, kind of ripped and torn. And if you want, you can give more. So like, you know, it's the sharp sort of lightning stuff that we always see in Super Saiyan 2 just coming around. Super Saiyan 2, Young Gohan. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.